Hey, Blue. So what's it like buying... Blue.
Where the hell you go in the bathroom? Blue! Blue, come here!
Blue. Say hi. Say hi.
Hey. What? Tell me about it.
Hey. Okay, you guys ready? I'm almost going beat this dog. This is wild.
Hey, Ashton. Don't hit me. So it's been a long time.
It's been a long time, but we're back. We're back.
doing
You know, it's been long enough to so the vlogs deserve a reboot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. Well, I'll probably just set it. This is how you golf.
I can literally just entertain people anywhere I go. Our customers.
Oh, they're okay. They're repairmen.
Yeah.
Okay, that's funny. Okay, that's sexist. Why can't you be a wife for a day?
Make me a sandwich, bitch.
This is fucking extreme. God. Oh, stop. God damn it, Ashton. The same screaming.
Nightmare Castle.
That was
And you are
oh, you bitch.
Well, I'm not evil, I'm just
just curious how that looked like on the camera.
I'm in jail.
Oh, get back, Blue. You just like beer. Get back, Blue.
Alright, you ready, Blue? Are you ready at home? Alright. For the views.
That's a cold one, huh?
About 50% of that went in my lungs. Love you, bud.
What's up, dude?
I love like this Southwest ranch. That stuff's disgusting. Do I look like I'm from the South?
Tastes different.
Guessing this is you?
Shit, that's a lot. This fork is not gonna make it.
I have a cream corn and a mashed potato with chives. That goes all the way to her down on the end.
You should bring me a timer.
What is that?
Lobster, sirloin, taters, and cream corn. Taters.
Yeah. Hey, you on? Yeah.
Power. Power.
Last time I was here, yeah, they got nice points.
Just gotta go one, then you can switch up.
Oh, a place to live. They might. Let's start the dream, the American dream, where they go. Back in the old days, in the motherland, you live with your family and you pass it on in the fucking house. Why the fuck do you like everyone needs their own fucking house? It's constantly convoluted and fucking like selfish. You guys be there. Fuck off.
Encore. Encore. More.
Listen,
You
if
like
the
baby
Chinese
girls.
takes over, I'd rather have Putin take over or the fuck's that? The
Hitler.
Russian motherfucker.
You already said Putin.
Putin, yeah, Putin.
Who's there?
I'd love Putin to take over. Fuck the China. They're too slavery.
I thought you were gonna bring a Bolsonaro.
Like no one puts it into like context. Like
Well, I know the Chinese,
Like we're worried
They
about
passed
like
out
what
their
happened like
houses.
the slavery like yesterday, but like what about the slavery today? Like literally make my iPhone like there's suicide nets on the side of buildings. Like go fuck yourself.
Hey, no, hold up. Jake, we're trying to tweet here on our toilets with our self-important.
Is that what I should do? Start tweeting? Said
Hold
tying
up.
around
Such
their
good
fucking
audio.
garbage?
Taiwan, it's not a
the audio,
country.
like different
Jake,
visuals, like maybe
Taiwan is
like
not a country. Don't talk about
pictures or
Taiwan.
something,
It's
but-
not even a place. Don't
Listen, I know where Atlantis started.
for
wait,
action's
Atlanta or Atlantis?
sake. Simmer down.
Listen,
Atlantis.
it's called the Eye of the
Magic
Sahara.
place that
Look
does
it up.
Oh, no, yeah, dude.